Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove delay in Streamlabs OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, in the upper left corner of your OBS window, click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings to access all the configuration options for your streaming setup. Once the Settings window opens, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see various categories. Click on Advanced. This section contains more technical options that give you greater control over your stream's behavior and performance. Now, you'll need to scroll down through the advanced settings until you locate the stream delay section. This is where you can manage how OBS handles any delay between your live content and what your viewers see, which is important for controlling your stream's real-time interaction. Below the stream delay heading, you'll see an option labeled Enable with a checkbox beside it. Go ahead and check this box to activate the delay settings. Enabling this allows you to customize how the delay functions rather than using default settings. Right below that, you'll find a duration option. Click on the text field next to it and type 1. This sets the delay to just 1 second, which is the minimum setting, and effectively removes any significant delay from your stream. Moving down, you'll see a checkbox next to Preserve Cutoff Point Increase Delay when reconnecting. Make sure to uncheck this box. By disabling this option, you prevent OBS from adding extra delay when your stream reconnects after an interruption, keeping your stream as real-time as possible. Further down, you'll come across the Automatically Reconnect section. This handles what happens when your connection drops unexpectedly. Navigate to the Retry Delay option within this section, then click on the text field and set it to 1. This ensures that if your stream disconnects, OBS will attempt to reconnect after just 1 second, minimizing downtime and keeping your stream flowing smoothly. Finally, in the bottom right corner of the settings window, click Apply to save all the changes you've made. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to your main OBS interface. And that's it. You've successfully removed the delay in Streamlabs OBS and optimized your reconnection settings for minimal interruption. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.